Bonjour les enfants, c'est Madame Bini. J'espère que vous allez bien. Monsieur Tarisharu is doing the first part of this week's lesson with you, the pals. Okay? And I'm doing the second one. Understand and use the vocabulary of planning a playdate. Comprendre et utiliser le vocabulaire de la planification d'une réunion entre amis. We don't have such a word as playdate in French. Okay, let's get started. Pour commencer, to start with, we're going to do what we normally do, what you normally do with Mr. Tarisharu. You go through individual words and expressions that we will then use into dialogue. So I'm going to read them and I would like you to repeat them at home, okay? To make sure you get the pronunciation right. Also, we have many silent letters in French, as you know. So as I'm reading them, I'm going to highlight the silent letters. Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire? Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire? Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire? What would you like to do? Je voudrais, I would like, jouer au basket, to play basketball. Jouer au foot, play football. Jouer aux échecs. The X turns into a Z sound because the next word starts with a vowel. Okay, so it's jouer aux échecs. And the S is silent. Regarder un film. To watch a movie. Aller au parc. ER in French sounds like an A. Aller au parc. Faire du skateboard. Because okay, skateboarding. Manger, so the same. Et manger des grillades. To eat a barbecue. Faire du vélo. Go ride a bicycle. Faire du patin à glace. To go ice skating. Skier. To ski. Oh, I forgot the E at the end of glass. Faire les magasins. To go shopping. Je ne veux rien faire. I don't want to do anything. Which can happen sometimes, you know. Regarder la télé. To watch TV. Manger. To eat. Aller nager à la piscine. To go swim at the swimming pool. T'inviter à la maison. To invite you at my place. Voilà les mots de vocabulaire. Here are the main expressions for this week's topic. Let's move on. Mr. Tarisharu has invented something absolutely amazing called le verbal tennis. So you know how you play verbal tennis in class when you say a French word and your partner says the English one, as just like in a tennis, the ball is the words. Here it's mostly about verbs and it's a test. So you go get a little piece of paper and let's have a look if you remember what has just been said. Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire? What does that mean? Je veux regarder la télévision. Je veux manger des grillades. Je veux faire les magasins. Next part. I want. What is it in French? To play football. To ski. I don't want to do anything. Okay, did you manage to remember all of it? Probably not, which is normal. And if it is, just make sure you watch the couple of minutes earlier the video, just to remind yourself of what they are. This is what they were. Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Répète après moi. Repeat after me. Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? What would you like to do? Je veux regarder la télévision. Je veux regarder la télévision. Je veux manger des grillades. Je veux manger des grillades. Je veux faire les magasins. Je veux faire les magasins. So I want in French is je veux. To play football, jouer au foot. To ski, skier. Je ne veux rien faire. I don't want to do anything. So here is your little conjugation time. Le conditionnel du verbe vouloir. So don't worry about this whole big long title. In other words, if you want to say I would like in French, this is how you say it. Je veux is I want. Je voudrais with a silent S is I would like. So if je veux means I want, what does tu veux means? Tu veux means you want. And you would like is tu voudrais. If tu veux means you want, what does il veut means? He wants, well done. And elle veut, she wants. Conclusion, il voudrait or elle voudrait is he would like or she would like. Once again, silent T. Nous voulons, we want. Nous voudrions, we would like. Vous voulez, you plural, want. Or you, if it's an older person or someone you don't know, you use this form of politeness by saying vous instead of tu. Vous voulez, you want. Vous voudriez, you would like. Il, elle, they, plural, boys, girls. Okay, remember in French we have two different they. They masculine, they feminine. Veulent, silent E, N and T. Ils, elles veulent, they want. And ils, elles voudraient, they would like. So this is important to know this because you can use it in many situations. If you want to say, I would like an ice cream, then you can say, je voudrais une glace. You can ask a question as well. Would you like an ice cream? Vous voudriez une glace? Vous voudriez une glace? Because in French, to ask a question, you can just keep the same order of the words as if they were in a sentence, a normal sentence. You just change the tone. So if you want to say, oh, would he want an ice cream? You would say, il voudrait une glace? Okay? Let's move on. So the little dialogue part of this lesson is qu'est-ce que, what, as you know, this big, long, complicated looking expression means what only. As French people, we like to complicate things, don't we? Qu'est-ce que, with all these silent letters, look at them all. Qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire demain? What would you like to do tomorrow? Demain, je voudrais jouer au basket. Okay, so that's an example. Qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire demain? What would you like to do tomorrow? Demain, je voudrais jouer au basket. What if I say to you, qu'est-ce que tu voudrais faire demain? Demain, je voudrais faire les magasins. Yes, I said go shopping, of course. So, here is a little paragraph. We're moving on to the high level. No longer words or expressions, no longer question and answer, but a paragraph. I'm going to read it out for you. Please read with me to make sure you pay attention to the pronunciation. Pour ma sortie idéale, je voudrais aller faire les magasins avec ma meilleure amie. Après, je voudrais aller acheter des glaces et les manger au bord du lac. À la fin, je voudrais aller nager à la piscine. Ce serait une très belle journée où il ferait beau avec du soleil. Now, can you pause the video here and think about what you understood from it? When you play the video again, I'm going to give you the answer, so make sure you have a go first. Pour ma sortie idéale, for my ideal playdate, je voudrais aller faire les magasins. I would like to go shopping avec, with, ma meilleure amie, my best friend. And we know it's a girl because it has an E at the end of meilleure and amie. Après, after, je voudrais, I would like, aller, to go, acheter, buy, des glaces, ice cream. I would like to go buy ice cream. Et and les manger au bord du lac. And eat them, les, au bord du lac on the side of the lake. So the word les here is for ice cream. Okay, we could say je voudrais acheter des glaces et manger des glaces au bord du lac, but then we don't want to repeat des glaces twice. It's not very nice to have repetition in a sentence. So instead we replace des glaces by les. Okay. À la fin, at the end, je voudrais, I would like, aller, to go, nager, swim, à la piscine, at the swimming pool. À la fin, je voudrais aller nager à la piscine. At the end, I would like to go swim at the swimming pool. Ce sera une très belle journée. This would be a very beautiful day. Ou, where, il ferait beau. Where it would be where the weather would be nice. Avec du soleil, with sunshine. Okay, example of a high-level paragraph. Why high level? Because you're using a tense, which is the conditional. Well, like we saw in the earlier slide, I would like, it would be. And you are using things like connectives, okay? Where are my connectives here? Et, à la fin, at the end. Après, after. You're using details. My best friend, okay? You don't have manger au bord du lac. You're telling me where you're going to do the things that you're doing. So this is a very nice leveled paragraph. Your turn. Critères de réussite, success criteria. Mr. Tarishari would like you to do the following. Write a text about what you would do for your ideal playdate with your best friend, whether it is skiing or going to the cinema, eating popcorn flavored with caramel and Snickers, I don't know. You go crazy. Invent whatever you want. But use the conditional form. So it might be worth going back to the slide where we're showing you how to do it. Je voudrais, etc. Illustrate it with a nice drawing, okay? Some of you are very artistic, so I'm sure you could do something really nice. Write one paragraph, 4 to 5 sentences approximately. And what would be amazing if you could film yourself reading and presenting your text so we can see your pronunciation. Voila. I hope you learned a few bits and bobs from this video, and we're looking forward to see your work. We really, really appreciate it when we hear from you. We miss you, and we are looking forward to receive some messages and work from you. Au revoir.